So what'd you think, Chastity?
I really like it. It's comfortable, and I really think it'll help us on the farm.
Awesome. Mooncool is dedicated to provide an affordable, safe cycling experience. I'm so excited today because we got the coolest mode of transportation ever. We had a company by the name of Mooncool. They sent us get this, they sent us an electric trike. By upholding the most rigorous quality standards, meticulously examining every step of the production process, they deliver the most suitable cycling products. It has a basket on the back and a basket on the front. That's so neat because now we can transport feed out back. I don't have to rely on my husband to bring out the feed, and I can just haul it myself. That is so cool. Let me show you and tell you all about this. Let's get it unboxed first. You can be sure of the superior quality of their products because of their unwavering commitment to excellence. Their approach to accessibility goes beyond physical design and inclusivity, making sure every rider feels confident and empowered. It encompasses affordability, ensuring all e-trikes are within reach. Getting around on the farm isn't just an easy thing. You have a lot of places to walk, take care of animals. There's often uneven surfaces, and that's just in the front. There's also out back, where most of the land is.
Got a basket on the front, basket on the back.
Mooncool bicycles are full of innovations in accessories design. They constantly study market trends and user needs to ensure that all of their products can meet your expectations. No matter the unique appearance design or excellent functional design, they strive to provide the best accessories for your bicycle. Their accessories have undergone strict quality control and durability tests to ensure that they can stand the test of time. Whatever you ride on the streets of the city or in the country roads or here on the farm, their products can provide you with lasting and reliable performance. They're proud of their excellent quality and innovative design and superior durability.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that was really nice. It looks like the hot rod. Oh my gosh, it looks like the hot rod of electric bikes.
Getting around here on the farm is important, and I can't walk everywhere with my knee. So thank you, Mooncool. We're gonna go out back and we're gonna haul feed and use it for our farm. Mooncool uses advanced cutting, framing, welding, and polishing equipment with high production efficiency and the ability to produce 1,000 sets of frames per day. The Mooncool tk-1 folding electric trike is expertly engineered to deliver a smooth, comfortable, and convenient riding experience. From the high-quality frame and the plush saddle to the advanced braking system and fat tires, every component is carefully selected to elevate your ride. Compared to a two-wheeled e-bike, three-wheeled electric trikes offer superior balance and stability thanks to their wide wheelbase and 3 supporting points. This is incredibly important for older adults as it significantly reduces the risk of falls and injuries. And you know, we're older adults.
There's your speed change ability.
Well, it looks like this would be a great little e-bike for e-trike for farm purposes and for other purposes. I think it would work great. It's really not too complex as far as what you have to know. Anybody can operate it. You have your front brake, your back brakes. You have a right and a left turn signal.
It goes up to 5. Subtract that. Your front brake, your back brake. This is your accelerator.
You also have Here's your on-off switch right here. Here is your different speeds. So you have first all the way through fifth.
Pedal assist.
And it's pedal assist. And here's your to go down in the speed. You have your basket up front, your safety light up front. You also have a basket cargo area in the back. And it's nice that it has fenders all the way around. So that way you're not gonna get any mud or dirt or debris on you. So comes with shocks, which is pretty awesome. And it's very comfortable. So I love the style, I love the color, and I think it's like kind of looks like the hot rod of e-trikes, really. Ready? I had it up to 15 miles per hour already on first gear.
As we navigate through different stages of life, our transportation needs evolve. For seniors, finding a mode of transportation that offers enhanced stability, comfort, and convenience becomes increasingly important. An electric trike, such as the Mooncool tk-1 folding electric trike, it can be the perfect solution. Thank you, Mooncool. I'll leave a link in the description box below.